Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear students? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NABS home school. This is Lokman, an assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Today, I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8. This is my first class with you for annual examination and lecture 1. At the end of the class, I will provide you some SW as your exercise. So this is very important class. Keep watching our class at the end of the class. Okay, let's start to discuss our today's topic. Our today's topic is transformation of sentence. According to the grammatical structure, we can divide this transformation into two ways. We can change a sentence into two ways. First of all, we can change the sentence without the changing meaning, that is known as transformation. Another way, we can change the sentence and with meaning also, that is known as conversion of sentence. Our today's topic is transformation of sentence and affirmative to negative. In this structure, we can, according to function, we can change it from assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative and exclamatory. And according to structure, we can change sentence simple, complex and compound. So let's start to see our today's class. First of all, affirmative to negative. If your sentence is affirmative and your first one is given here, only or alone in a sentence, only or alone is given in your affirmative sentence, then this only or alone will be replaced by non-verb if it denotes or refers a person. If this only or alone denotes a person, then it will be replaced by non-verb. You can see the example, base example. Only a poet can write a poem. Here only you got only. This only will be replaced by non-verb. Right? Start writing answer. Non-verb. A poet can write a poem. So we have changed here on non-verb due to only, but the rest of the part of sentence is remain unchanged. Next, number 2, only or alone, if it denotes a thing, then it will be replaced by nothing but. If it denotes a thing or object, then it will be replaced by nothing but. Okay, only consciousness saves us from coronavirus. Only consciousness saves us from coronavirus. This only will be replaced by nothing but, because this it indicates a thing. This consciousness indicates a thing. So start writing nothing but. Next, write the rest of the part of sentence. Consciousness saves us from coronavirus. Okay, next one. This repeated the same word only or alone, it denotes a number or measurement, then you should write not more than or not less than. Okay, if I say Joy is only 14 years old, here it number, it denotes a number, so we have to write Joy is not less than. Why not less than? Because here is used only and this only denotes number. Joy is not less than 14 years old. 14 years old. Okay, next one. If it denotes must, have to, has to, need to, then this word will be replaced by can't but. And if it denotes past tense, had to, needed to, then you have to change here couldn't but. But there is an alternative way. If you do not use can't but, you can use cannot help, but there is a problem here. You have to add ing with main verb if you use cannot help. So I just suggest you can use this one is very easy one, can't but in present form and couldn't but for past tense. Okay, see the example. We must wash hands or wear mask before going outside. because it's going on our very worst situation due to pandemic coronavirus. So we have to use wash hands. Must. This must will be replaced by can't but. We can't but wash hands, wear mask, the rest of the part just right there, before going outside. So what's the new change here? Because of must, we have to use here can't but. Okay, next one, number 5 number rules. Every. This every will be replaced by there is no, then the rest next word, and finally but. You can use another way also. There is no first, then the next word, then who, this part will be negative form. After who, this sentence will be in a negative form. As anyone you can use. First example here, you can see this example. Everyone stays safe from coronavirus. So due to everyone, we should write there is no. There is no, then the next word is every. Due to every, we have written here there is no, and after every we can find here one. So write one. There is no one, or there is none also. You can write both. No one or none one, none or no one, as you can use anyone. There is no one stays. There is no one, sorry, it should be but. There is no one but stays, the rest of the part, stays safe from coronavirus. Okay, at the end of the sentence give full stop. Okay, again, everyone stays safe from coronavirus. Here the answer would be there is none or there is no one but stays safe from coronavirus. There is no one but stays safe from coronavirus. Okay, next, as soon as, that will be changed by no sooner had, then subject, then verb past participle form, then the next word, and finally comma will be replaced by then, and finally you have to use here verb to, I mean past form of verb. Okay, let's see the example. As soon as you cut calf, did test for coronavirus. As soon as you cut calf, did test for coronavirus. This comma will be replaced by then. Okay. For this as soon as, you have to write no sooner had. No sooner had, then subject. No sooner had you, then the verb. Cut calf. This comma will be replaced by then. Did test for coronavirus. Okay. Next one. Rules number 7. And or both ... and. It will be changed by not only but also. If I say he is both honest and laborious, so it denotes that he is not only honest but also laborious. This both include two things. So he is honest, another one is he is laborious. So in one way we can write he is not only honest but also laborious. Okay, next number, another example is given here. He ate rice and bread. He ate both things. So answer should be he ate not only rice but also bread. He ate not only rice but also bread. This due to both, due to and, you have to change this as not only and but also. Okay, next one is 2 . It denotes negative meaning. So this 2 will be changed by so, and this 2 will be changed by that, and the rest of the part should be in negative form, and this negative will be happened by can't or couldn't. Can't will be used in present tense and couldn't will be used in past tense. Okay, see example. Corona is too strong to make you die. This is negative, it denotes as negative meaning. So let's see the answer. Corona is so, due to you have to use here so. Corona is so, then adjective, then the rest of the part. so strong due to two, you have to write here that. So corona is so strong that it, pronoun and subject of corona. It is the pronoun of corona. This it can't make you die. So what is the structure? First of all, you have to write so before an adjective, then write that due to two, and then subject, and finally make negative form here by writing can't or couldn't according to tense. Okay, next number 9. Affirmative will be changed into negative antonym. Affirmative sentence will be changed by negative and the antonym form of the words. If I say corona is a temporary virus for us, so search which would be the antonym of temporary and make the sentence negative. So corona is not a permanent virus for us. So here was temporary, I have used here permanent is the antonym of the temporary and negative form here. Next number 10. Many will be changed by a few plus negative. First of all, you have to write a few due to many, then the sentence structure should be negative. Okay, let's see the example. Corona attacked many people. How people? Many people. Okay, so let's see the answer. Corona didn't, you have to use here auxiliary verb according to tense. As it past tense, that's why I have written here didn't. Corona didn't attack a few people. You can use here again verb 2, past form of verb, because here used auxiliary verb of past tense. So here should be only attack. So corona didn't attack a few people. Next one, much. Much will be replaced by a little, then negative form. Let's see the answer. I need much money. I need much money. So much will be replaced by a little. I do not need a little money. Okay, next 12 number rows. For the last time, this word will be replaced by never, then the next word, and finally again. So if I say he came here for the last time, so we can write he never came here again. He never came here again. Due to this for the last time, we used here new words never, and the last one is again. Okay, next one, superlative degree. If your sentence is in a superlative form, then it will be changed by in a positive form, but we can change positive into two ways, writing no other, and another one is very few, but we will select only the first one. We have to start writing no other, then subject, then is verb, or then as dot s. Let's follow the answer. Corona is the severest virus. So this is the superlative degree. We can change it into using positive degree. So we have to start writing no other, the subject, no other virus is as severe as corona. This severest is superlative degree. It should be now positive now, positive degree. So no other virus is as severe as corona. Okay, next number 14. S dot s, if it is used in affirmative sentence, then you can write not less than in your negative. Okay, you can see an example. Masum and Vicky are as wise as Nila. So Masum answered, Masum and Vicky are not less wise than Nila. Okay, number 15. Few will be replaced by a single plus negative. If it is little, then it will be replaced by a least plus negative. Let's see example. Affirmative. The boy has few footballs. The boy has few football. The answer should be the boy doesn't have a single football. It denotes few footballs, so doesn't have a single football. Here meaning is same, but structurally sentences are different. Next one, there is a little water in the glass. Next, negative, there is not a less water in the glass. Though the structure is different, but all sentence meaning is remain unchanged. Next, number 16 and the last one, if your affirmative sentence denotes a universal truth, then make it into negative interrogative. What is negative interrogative? Your sentence structurally should be negative, but at the end of the sentence you should give question mark, and your sentence structure you should change into interrogative also. If I say knowledge is power, just use first auxiliary verb, then add not, then the rest of the part, and finally give question mark. So what would be the answer of knowledge is the power? So isn't knowledge is power? If I say again man is mortal, so use auxiliary verb first, then use again not. Isn't man mortal? This is the universal truth. Health is wealth. example. So what should be first? First of all, we should write is. Then we have to change it into negative. That's why we should add not, isn't, health, wealth. Finally, give question mark. This is our negative form. So I hope you have understood our today's lesson. Now I will provide you some SW. Our today's SW is 5 sentence, vice versa. I mean, first of all, here 3 sentence you have to change negative, and the last 2 you have to change affirmative. So it's very easy. Whether you can learn how to change negative, then you can change also affirmative also. It's first sentence, I need a book only. Second one, Allah alone can help us. Everybody likes flower. She is so weak that she can't speak. Number 5, no man is immortal. So change it according to the direction, and now give pause in your video and pick out this sentence in your SW copy and submit this SW next Sunday. This SW is very important because your city marks, diary mark and all others depends on this SW. Don't delay to submit this SW. This is our annual term first class video. Keep practicing a lot. Don't go outside. See you soon with next class. Allah Hafiz.